Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest tech gadgets. Today, we have an exciting product to talk about. The Beelink Mini PC powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 5700U. If you're in the market for the best mini PC for gaming, you're in for a treat. This compact powerhouse has everything you need to elevate your gaming experience and more. Let's dive right in. First, let's go over the key features that make the Beelink Mini PC stand out from the crowd. This mini PC is packing a punch with its AMD Ryzen 7 5700U processor, boasting 8 cores and 16 threads, and clock speeds of up to 4.3 GHz. Whether you're into gaming, office tasks, or multimedia, this CPU has you covered. Equipped with AMD Radeon 8 cores graphics running at 1900 MHz, you'll enjoy smooth and immersive gaming experiences. It's perfect for popular titles like CS, GO, GTA 5, and Fall Guys, as well as office tasks like graphic design and video editing. With 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and a lightning-fast 1TB M.2 SSD NVMe drive, you'll have ample space and speedy performance for multitasking and quick file access. The Beelink SER5 supports triple screen display with 4K resolution, including HDMI 2.0, DP 1.4, and Type-C ports. Whether you're working on a project, gaming, or streaming, you can enjoy top-notch picture quality. Stay connected with Wi-Fi 6 for faster, more stable internet connectivity. Bluetooth 5.2 ensures seamless device pairing and data transfer. This mini PC is loaded with ports, including HDMI, DP, USB 3.2 General 2, USB 2.0, Type-C, RJ45, and a 3.5mm audio interface, providing you with versatile connectivity options. Beelink stands by its products, offering FCC, CE, and ROSH certifications, along with 1-year free warranty and 24/7 technical support. Now, let's talk about performance. The Beelink Mini PC is a beast when it comes to handling demanding tasks. Whether you're gaming at 4K, running resource-intensive applications, or just browsing the web with multiple tabs open, this mini PC handles it all with ease. When you purchase the Beelink Mini PC, you'll get everything you need to get started. The package includes the mini PC itself, 2 HDMI cables, a 19V 3.42A power adapter, a VESA mount with screws, and a user manual. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the best mini PC for gaming and productivity, the Beelink Mini PC with the AMD Ryzen 7 5700U is a top contender. Its powerful processor, impressive graphics, and generous storage make it a versatile choice for various tasks. That's it for today's review, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews, and leave your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.